increase your credit limit with Wells Fargo. So if you want to increase your credit limit with Wells Fargo, then it's a straightforward process. Follow these steps to request a higher credit limit efficiency. First step is to review your credit report. Check your credit report for any inaccuracies and ensure that your credit score is in good standing. A higher score increases your chances of approval for a credit limit increase. Second step is to assess your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, and existing debt. Ensure that your financial situation supports a higher credit limit, as lenders would consider your ability to manage additional credit. Third step is to gather necessary information. Prepare relevant information such as your current home, employment status, and any significant changes in your financial situation. This information may be required during the request process. Some credit issuers provide the option to request a credit line increase online. So log in to the issuer's online portal and look for the tab for the account services for something similar to see if you can make an credit limit increase request. So log into your Wells Fargo account and access your Wells Fargo online banking account and navigate to the credit card section where you can find the options related to your credit limit and submit your request. Follow the prompts to request a credit limit increase. Provide the necessary information and submit a request. You may receive an instant decision or be notified later. Customer service number and explain that you want to see if you're eligible to increase your credit limit. The customer service representative will be able to help you. That's how you can increase your credit limit with Wells Fargo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.